Hi everyone, it's Casey. I'm the owner of Urban Hippie. The granola and products we make are all organic, handcrafted with no artificial colors and flavors. If you like today's tutorial, subscribe and check out my other videos for more recipes. If you'd like to find a library of recipes I've created and collected over the years, please check out my website at urbanhippiegranola.com. You can also visit amazon.ca to purchase some granola online. In today's recipe, we will be cooking sweet potato and peanut soup, perfect for the winter. This recipe is packed with healthy veggies and exploding with flavor. If you follow along and make your own, please like this video and leave a comment of how it turned out. Let's begin. Start out with a large Dutch oven. Alternatively, a large pot will work fine. Drop in any kind of oil and heat on medium-high. I opted for coconut oil today because of all of its health properties. Next, add in the roughly chopped onion, garlic, and ginger to the pot. Stir for about 3 minutes. Add in the potatoes, red peppers, tomatoes, water, broth, and peanut butter. Then stir. Next, we are adding in all of our spices: cumin, coriander, salt, cayenne powder, chili powder, and cinnamon. Once everything is added, bring the pot to a boil. Then reduce the heat to medium, cover and simmer for approximately 12 minutes or until potatoes are soft. Finally, add in the drained chickpeas, stir in the chard, and simmer until wilted. It'll take approximately 2 minutes. Ladle soup into bowls and garnish with peanuts and parsley. Enjoy!